Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable adjust for daylight saving time in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select date and time in the right pane. Now you can make sure that the time zone is set to automatic, because if it is not, then why would you need daylight saving? But let us say that you're setting it for a different time zone. Let us say that daylight saving is present in let's say the Canadian time zone, because it is not in the Indian one. So it will be turned on automatically, and the time zone will actually be mentioned differently for Canada and US and Canada. In one case you will have daylight saving, in one case you may not have daylight saving. It depends. So you can check this option for adjust for daylight saving time automatically, or you can choose not to adjust. And you will notice that the clock changes. It changes from 1:30 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. and so on. And it will only work during the months where daylight saving happens. I mean the winter months. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.